Hi friends, in this video I'm going to talk about benefits of microservice architecture. So this is an example for a monolithic architecture and this is an example for microservice architecture. I worked on both. Let's see the differences. So improves fault isolation, in the sense if there is any issue you can find out directly find out the issue in microservice architecture. Suppose payment service, there is a problem, you don't have to look into the other module, you can just debug and fix, test it and deploy again to the production. Okay, so it improves the fault isolation and you can quickly give the fix. Eliminates long-term commitment to a single stack technology, in the sense we can't try out a new technologies. Suppose after 1 year of development you got something new in the market and you can't try out that. Here in the microservice architecture, something new. So suppose a new database comes in the market, you can try out for a shipping service just to check, just want to use in your product. That is possible. You can replace only shipping service and with a new database. And suppose you want to try out let's say event driven technology in your payment service. Just I'm giving an example. So that is possible in microservice architecture. So you don't have to tie to a single technology, you can try out different options. And fast development and deployment, since we have divided the feature into a single service, multiple service actually. Here you can see multiple service and independently you can deploy, independently you can develop and deploy. So if you stop and start one individual service, in the other service will not be impacted, and a team can focus on a single service with a good features, and they can develop it and deploy the production in a faster way. Okay, it will help in short release cycles. So suppose 3 months, 6 months you want to release something, it is possible if you plan properly, you can do it. Eliminate unused features in the product. In the monolithic architecture, somewhere dead codes will be lying there. Some team would have switched off the features, dead code, no use of that feature, but still it will be there. But here, since teams are focused on only required features and it's a small service, it is easily to find out the dead code and avoid it. Small and easy to understand the code base. So out of 7 members team can understand each service and maintain it well. Easy to scale services independently. Say in monolithic architecture, like say in the time of December or Christmas vacation, there is a possibility for a shopping site get more requests actually. So suppose usually they'll be getting 1,000 and suddenly they got 10,000 requests. How to handle it on demand? So that is possible to increase the number of services. Suppose order service alone I can increase to 10 instance, and other service I don't want to increase. This is possible in microservice architecture, but monolithic architecture you have to duplicate the entire thing in monolithic. But whereas in microservice, a particular module, a particular service I can increase to 10 instance. Say suppose payment service I can increase to 5 instance. That is possible in cloud. Okay, and you can replace existing service with the latest service. Say suppose you want to try out with a new database, you can change here in this service and replace it with a new one. Okay, and less expense to change because you are not touching the other services. System resilience. If one of the microservice stopped working, it does not affect the other portion. Here, if one module has some problem, you have to shut down the entire system and start working on it and give the fix. Okay, so these are the 10 advantages of or benefits of microservice architecture. Hope these points are useful. Thank you and all the best.